What's going on, Credit Snipers? Your boy Carlos with the best credit blueprint, guys. I'm excited that you guys are here today. Let's talk about the two things that I wish I would have known last year or even the year before when I first started the company. That, you know what, it would have made so much sense, but we actually, as we develop our systems, I want to bring them to you. I want to bring you hot of the press, what we have going on, what's going to help you going forward, and what's going to actually take your blueprint from 0 to 100 in no time. Guys, this is 2022. We got the best things. I'm gonna show you one of the partnerships that we have created. Stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. Once again, if this is your first time in our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure that you click on the bell icon, click on all, so like that you'll be notified every time that we post a new content. And guess what, guys? It is daily. Nobody else comes to you daily other than us. We want to make sure that we put something that's going to help you, that's going to take you to the next step in your career, or in your path to getting an 800 club, or getting an 800 credit and getting to the 800 club. Now guys, at the same time, please don't forget, give me the thumbs up. That's going to help me to reach thousands and thousands. That's what we're looking for, to provide value to many of you, just to help you, so you don't end up in the same situation that I was in about 2 years ago. Guys, this program was created for me. Why? Because I found myself in 559. Guys, it was 559 and I couldn't do anything. I couldn't get anything. I couldn't get any type of lending. Guys, today I'm on 804, and you know what? I want to make sure that I share that with you. I documented the whole process, and I wanted to make sure that one day I bring it to you, because guess what? My goal is to bring value to many and thousands of you in order to help you to the next level. Now guys, let's just talk about two of the tricks that we have developed for our company in order to help you. One of those things is speed. Now let's talk about, I'm going to give you a great example. Everybody knows about Amazon, right? Everybody knows about Amazon Prime. And what are they good at? Not only they give you free shipping, but most of the time you get whatever you actually buying the next day. So speed compared to anyone else. You may have to pay a membership annually, but guess what? You are willing to pay, because I do. I want things like this. This is the new age. This is the new era in which we want things right away. So guess what? I am willing to pay Amazon whatever membership they give me or they ask me for annually in order for me to get to what I'm looking for, when I'm looking for it, the fastest I can. Well, guess what, guys? To you, we have the 72-hour inquiry deletion. Now, I know there's so many companies out there that will string you along month after month with a membership after month after month. Sometimes, guys, in my case, that took me almost 16 months for one of these companies, and I'm not gonna say any name, but it could be a law firm. That's all I'm gonna say. Now, that company took me almost 16 months to take 2 inquiries of my credit report. But guess what, guys? I wanna show you, and this is almost guaranteed, sometimes it's even less, 72 hours inquiry deletion. Guys, today I find myself with 23 credit cards with no inquiries in my credit report. People ask me, how in the hell you have no inquiries in your credit report and you actually almost getting a credit card every week or every other week? But guess what, guys? Let us show you. We have what's called the 72-hour inquiry deletion. It will show you step to step how to do it, who to talk to, how to talk to them, and when to talk to them, and also what number to call, because it's specific. This credit bureaus, they're smart, and they're getting smart with everything going on with all the advances in technology. Now they have specific numbers in which if you don't call the right number at the right time, they'll loop you. They'll loop you around. Guys, we found out each one of these numbers and we jot them down. So we're gonna give you what really works, okay? Now the second thing is, I know that with so many gurus out there, so many people out there that tells you, and a lot of this company, that we are going to send letters. Now, while this still a method that works, and yes, it's actually almost guaranteed every time that you send letters to work. And even in our course, we advise you to actually go through the process. There is also a new process, a new way to actually delete negatives, obsolete accounts, or anything that doesn't look right on your credit report. It's called the digital deletion. That's something that we have developed, that we actually found out that is working with a lot of the bureaus. And we show you step by step on how to digitally remove these accounts or negative accounts from your credit report. Because guys, let's be honest, an inquiry, if you apply for a credit card loan and you get denied, that one inquiry could cost you between 3 to 7 points. Now imagine that you walk into a car dealership, and guess what? If you go to a car dealership and you don't have a great credit score, they are going to shop you around with as many creditors possible until they get you approved. And that could be between 10 to 15 different creditors. Now multiply that, 7 times 10 or 13. Guys, you may be losing between 70 to 70 plus points just for buying that one vehicle. Now, how about if you have the power and you know your credit report? Because if you become part of the credit sniper community, you know that before you even go buy a property, go buy a house, a home, or even a vehicle, you want to go into your credit union. You want to go into your own bank, because not only you know your credit score, you know the power that you have when you get pre-approved. Now you take this pre-approval and go into that dealership, go into that property, go into that realtor. You tell them, this is what I'm looking for because this is what I'm approved for. Now that's a lot of buying power. That's what I want to put you in your hands, guys. That's what I want to show you. That's what I want to teach you. Step by step on how to do this so you can start taking control. Guys, it is the 3rd of January. I need you to take charge of your life, charge of your finances. Be responsible for your monetary. Guys, it is time to create wealth. It is time to actually be the leader in your family, your friends. And guys, being part of the Best Credit Blueprint, not only you get the 72-hour deletion, you get the digital deletion as well. But at the same time, guys, you get step by step in order to learn how to do this business, but to help everybody around you. Help your family, help your friends, help anyone. Even if you want to start a business. Not only that, we have a bonus for you. If you decide to come into our team, into the Best Credit Blueprint, we have created a partnership in which we cover the price. We will help you to set up your entity. And all you need to cover is the filing cost for that entity in your state. Now, if you have an entity already, they will even work with you in order to verify that you have everything set up properly, especially in the state that you're in and for the business that you are in. Now, guys, we also have worked out a plan in order to work with this company for you to take advantage of tax preparation. Now, this is another service that is provided to the company that we actually one of our preferred vendors. But at the same time, guys, I want to make sure that I bring one more gift, one more bonus to you. I want you to start this year with the right foot. Now, if you go on the bottom of the video, there's going to be a link. It's called the Remastered Secrets Lenders List. What this list is, guys, we actually did our own research and it took us months, but we were able to compile a 64-page document that gives you over 400 creditors. It tells you where the creditor pulls from, the credit score needed in order for you to get that credit card or that loan, approximately how much you'll get with that credit score, and like I said, it tells you which credit bureau the creditor pulls from and reports to. So guys, this document is going to give you the exact plan in order of attack. Now, being in the military, in order for you to actually complete a mission, you need to have a plan of attack. Before you go, you need to actually set up your plan, and that's what we're doing for you. I'm giving you the blueprint for you to be able to, if you know that for some reason your TransUnion is not as good as your Experian and your Equifax, then you know which cards and what to pull from. Your goal is not to pull from TransUnion. Your goal is to actually have a card that pulls from either Equifax or Experian and so on. Now guys, this is a gift to you. Please get it. It is free. Go on the bottom of the link. We're not going to keep it there for too long. I want you to have access to this gift to you from us. Guys, I appreciate that you guys were here today. Hey, once again, if you are new on the channel, make sure that you subscribe, click on the bell icon, click on all so that you'll be notified every time that we post a new content. Make sure you give me the thumbs up. That's going to help us out to increase and reach more and more people, because our goal is to help thousands and thousands more. Guys, this is Carlos from the Best Credit Blueprint. I am your #1 fan, and I want to see you doing great this year. See you soon.